Get ready, folks, for an action-packed series of All for Adventure. There are some new toys in the adventure arsenal. We've got hardcore rock crawling ahead.
Do me proud, Maxie, do me proud.
The boys are going deep in the Pilbara's Gorge country.
Holy shit, Simon, you gotta come and help me, mate. Oi!
Coming. It's gonna be good.
Simon!
I'm coming!
And thus ends another day of All for Adventure carnage.
And the team has a second crack at this old chestnut.
Yeah!
There's campfire cooking.
We'll whack it in for an hour, hour and a half.
Hour and a half?
Fish! And fishing on tap.
Double hook up! Double hook up!
Now, just how far would you go to get access to that secret fishing spot? Well, with our boys, it's all the way.
Look at the size of this thing!
And they call it Jurassic Park.
That's my biggest jack ever.
All for Adventure, coming soon to 10.